sharing my power uh, PowerPoint. So let's get started. So today, the season of AI we will cover on the Azure AI vision. So first of all, a big shout out to the organizer of Season AI, especially Rohit, Askar, and their entire team for organizing this such an event. Just a quick intro of myself. I am Mourtaza Moïse Fazlehoussen. I'm Microsoft most valuable professional in the category of business application, Microsoft certified trainer, and I work specifically in Azure Power Platform and Microsoft 365 topics and technology. And feel free to get in touch through my LinkedIn handle in/Mourtaza. So today we are going to cover up Azure AI Vision. So what is AI Vision? It's a service which gives you uh, and a portal to get to process image and return image and videos and return information based on those visual features you are interested for. So for sure we are going to have some demo which will help you to understand better. We are going to cover up two main topic within Azure AI Vision. One is computer vision, which is a unified services that offers multiple kind of vision capabilities. We'll cover up maximum of them. And the second one is custom vision, wherein we are going to feed the system or the AI vision some images, and we are going to see how it works. For this, no machine learning expertise is required, so anyone can do it. All right. So these are the reference link which could be useful while you will give a try for Azure AI Vision. So I'll be sharing this deck with the organizer, and feel free to get in touch with them. So directly jumping into the demo. So here, uh, when you go to I'll just go back. When you go to Microsoft Azure, here to access the computer vision, of course, you'll have to, those are paid services. So you type in the search bar computer vision and then you'll get into it. So for the sake of the demo, I've already provisioned it, and that will save us some time also. So let's go started with the computer vision. So here, once the resource will be provisioned, you'll get an entry something like this. And I strongly suggest you to create that these resources within the East US region, because otherwise it may not work. As of now, the Microsoft has not pushed those capability in all regions. So as you see, East US is my current resource location. So once I'll open this, it will give you an option on to go to the Visual Vision Studio. So here we are. You'll get many options. So we are going to cover up maximum of them, except the liveness detection, because this feature takes you need to have some special permission from the Azure team. And I have already requested, however, I have not yet got the final approval. So without further ado, let's go on the video retrieval and summary. Let's say, because thanks to Microsoft, they have also given some sample videos, which makes my job easier, and which makes also the participant will get an idea on how it works. So I'll go into the video retrieval systems. Let it get loaded. So here, if we see, we have got few videos, at least 3 videos here. So let's go and try this one. So this is a video of a retail store. Here in the below section, you will get to know what the consumer are doing. So for example, I'll just request let's say if I would like to locate a frame in the video itself. Okay, so here Microsoft has already loaded kind of some of the interesting event which happens within this video. So let's see, cleaning the floor. So here, if you see, this guy is cleaning the floor, and this becomes very easy. Suppose, let's say, if you are having a security company, kind of a company, and you would like, because nowadays we do have video enabled in all major companies, and let's assume, like, you'd like to uh, check a specific frame or interesting frame. For example, let's say if someone is getting into in getting by mistake within your premises or within that specific kind of a shop. So this type of technology would help you to locate the uh, the the event which you would be interested for. For example, let's say one more milk on the or coffee on the floor. Let's say someone would have dropped some coffee on the floor. So here, if you see, this person at this point of time, 2 minute 43, the AI services was capable to detect, like, at which exact time this coffee on the floor was spilled out on the floor. So this become very interesting. For example, uh, uh, one of the real scenario is one garage, like, had implemented this type of in the US, of course, not in India. One garage was implemented this type of services within their garage, wherein the owner was checking out, like, whether there was oil which was spilled out on the floor, which could help, like, some unwanted event from his garage. All right, so that was one of the, I would say, just a quick demo related to video summary and frame location. Let's go to the other one. Recognize, maybe before this one, customize model with image. One second, not this one, I think so. Search photo with image retrieval. So you need to have some acknowledge. Please, I'll just select already the resources. The text. Computer vision confirm, and I need to acknowledge, otherwise they'll not allow me to use. For example, let's say from the nature, again, Microsoft has got some data set, handy data set. So I'll go ahead and click nature, and if you see here, for example, let's say you're a travel agent or within the tourism industry, and you have a company which offers customers, like, lots of touristic destinations. So you can just upload your images, the real images from the your historical kind of a data, and maybe sunset on a beach, let's say. Search, and here they are, like, those are providing you some real kind of a data, wherein AI is taking consideration, like, and looking for the from the image data sets. So this could be useful for to provide better experience to your customer. Let's say you have a app for like, for booking. For example, let's say Make My Trip or booking.com, wherein they'll be able to provide very nice feature with images to their customers, like, or vice versa. For example, if a customer would like to go to a rocky beach, or would not like to go to rocky beach, so he will just do a retrieval from some specific query, and then he'll get those destination as per his wish. Second one would be, third one would be, recognize product on shelves. So in India, we have got like, multiple, or in abroad, like, we have got many supermarket, and let's say the management of the supermarket would like to identify which products are going faster, or which products are the, like, in this case, these again are sample images, wherein the management of the supermarket would like to understand quickly, because if you have a chain of 50 or 500 supermarkets, it will be difficult to, like, to have an inventory on an immediate basis. So you can take the leverage of this type of AI services to immediately inform based on some algorithm and some logic that, like, this shelves has got empty and please refill those, or vice versa. Maybe some products are not getting consumed, or maybe some products are nearly expired, so automatically, like, this type of technology would help you and give you a productivity boost. uh, Next would be uh, another interesting capability: add dense caption to the image. So you are just one use case, like, you are a agency which sells houses, uh, and to describe those houses is not never easy, like, because you need sales people, you need a complete sales team, and maybe some creative writer and so on. So here, the interesting the most interesting thing is, like, you load an image and the system will provide you the attributes. So if you see here, it has some multiple attributes, not only one. For as a human, we can maybe see this woman is talking to her dog right now. Okay, but from an AI perspective, like, a dog is standing on a rug, person holding a laptop, white cup, and it becomes really interesting to see that AI is very capable of detecting all attributes within this picture. For example, here also, this woman, from my point of view, this woman is working on a laptop with her mask and with a very, like, very chic background behind the scene, like, but from an AI point of view, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, almost 10 attribute AI has detected. For example, woman is wearing a face mask sitting on the table. This woman again is using a laptop and so on, and she has a close up on of a green chair, and so on. Okay, for example, this one, let's give it a try, because this is, I think so, I believe, in a metro station. So yeah, train in a subway station, train moving in a station, because even in the AI is able to detect that this train is getting moved right now, and the because the image is blurry, so we are getting the right attribute within this uh, image. So one use case would be, again, like, as I said, some business use cases wherein, like, people would get heavy benefit, huge benefit of, like, using this type of AI services for detecting the image attributes. Next would be uh, yeah, this one also is an interesting one. Let's say, similarly, maybe I'll have maybe one person would have some specific image wherein they would like to get some tags out of those image, because the services or the capabilities it's itself extract common tags from images, like, so here, as a human, I can see three, maybe colleagues or friends talking to each other, and sitting on a couch comfortably. But here, if you see, at least the AI services is giving us so many texts which could be useful. For example, maybe for SEO companies. For example, if a product, let's say Rolex has got a new type of watch which they would like to launch, and the SEO company, like, would like to get some interesting attributes related to that Rolex, let's say. So maybe that SEO company would take leverage of this type of capabilities, wherein he or she will get all these interesting attributes, and they will just have to use it and do their work, like, Next would be uh, uh, at, I think so, search photo. The other, one second, remove background from images. This, I think so, this is a common right now in the internet. You'll get even a free tool, like, in the internet right now. For example, let's say if these two this one couple would like to get their background to be removed, so this one is common, so I won't spend too much of time on these capabilities. Next would be add caption to image. I think so. We had done it. Yeah, I no, not yet. I would say, let's say this guy. Again, it's attribute detection. Like let's say if you are a photographer or a sport photographer, wherein those type of people, jobs requires thousands of photo to be clicked, and it is a high demanding job. So those type of agencies, company could use this type of services to provide their image some captions. For example, a man holding a surfboard on a rock. Let's say about this guy, a baseball player holding a bat. One more, a man jumping on a skateboard. Maybe some group of cow grazing in the field. So if you see, it's just magic. You just upload some images, and the AI services would do the rest. Later on, if you can also upload your own picture, own file, or take a photo live. So feel free to give it a try. Next would be detect common object in an image. I think so. One second, we did this. Yeah, so here, similar to the tag related features which we just saw few minutes back, this one is detection of common images. Let's say if you are a pharmaceutical company and you would like to detect some chemical component within those images, which has been taken in your manufacturing unit. So maybe one of the use case which just came into my mind just right now. Next would be caption, detect common image, extract text from images. This one is interesting because it is quite powerful. This could be data privacy must be taken in consideration for sure. So, for example, if a company who are dealing with IDs and uh, confidential data, so you can just take a take leverage of this how to say technology, and if you see here, it has given us all information in just matter of few seconds. For example, this was in his ID card, this person's ID card. Let's give it a try with the credit card. Yeah, so I've got the credit card number, the expiry date, validity date, and so on. So quite powerful, but used with cautions. Uh, Similarly, I think so. Remove extract common text from images. That was the previous one was from text, and this one is from images. So life is like riding bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. So here also, it is giving us a complete understanding of these images. Uh, yeah, create a smart cropped image. This feature is a kind of a normal one. I would say, for example, if you have got some out, you would like to crop some image, this it will give you automatically, based on some height and width range, provide you a crop kind of facilities. And I would say maybe one or two more. Detect face of an image. This again used with caution because it includes data privacy. So here there's a theme of things. So two ladies maybe talking about some I'm not sure about some clothes. So let's say let's select the resource. One second, I need to select the because without an Azure explicit, you'll need to create an explicit resources for this image detect face detection. So confirm, and I need to acknowledge. Yeah. So here, as of now, I believe this algorithm is detecting whether these two humans are wearing a mask or not. Of course, programmatically, or there are provision to detect more attributes as we saw in the previous kind of a feature. But as of now, this demo only provides whether these humans are wearing mask or not. So as of now, phase 1 mask no, phase 2 mask no. And let's give it a try with this fellow. This person is wearing mask no, as we can see. Let's give a try with this lady, I think so. Yeah, so face mask, yes, face mask covering nose and mouth, yes. So maybe the use one of the use case would be like, let's say if a clothing company, like, would like to check what do their customer prefers, like, which color they do like, or uh, like which type of shirt or top this woman is wearing, or like, and based on the season, based on the temperature and so on. So maybe this could be a new interesting use case for those type of company which would like to take this type of technology in consideration. And of course maybe for a government related police department wherein they would like to like, as of now, police are using also AI. They are leveraging AI very much. So this could be kind of a interesting type of technology they would use, and get get the benefit out of it, like, detecting attributes and so on. Last one is, unfortunately, as I said in the starting, it's not yet enabled because you need to have some specific permission within Microsoft. And as of now, like, once you are going to try, they will request you to apply for the access. So I have already applied, however, it takes some times. So let's hope I'll get it soon. Maybe in my next kind of a session, I'll try to cover up. So just as a summary, we saw almost all the capabilities within the AI within the AI vision. I would say Azure Vision Studio, video retrieval and summary, one of the most interesting from my perspective. And of course, there are others also which are in similar, like, interesting features. Recognize product commercial, customize model with image, search photo with image retrieval, similarly to the video retrieval, wherein, like, you would like to add some caption to your image, remove background, I think so this one is common. Or this one, on the other hand, like, add caption to images, detect common object to images, extract from images, and so on. All right. uh, so in case if you have got some use case, feel free to get in touch, and I'll try to, like, just have some interesting conversation with you. The second part of this one is custom vision. So let's get started again, like, once you are in the Azure portal, so you can say custom vision, custom vision, yeah. So where is custom, yeah, this one, custom vision. So here I had like, created uh, two, I would say, provision tools, uh, resources. So it will allow, once you'll get into the custom vision, into that resource which you provision, you'll get this option, custom vision portal. So this UI will appear, and these were my previous demo. So I'm going to have some the same kind of a demo with you now. So what is it about? I'll just come back to the definition. So custom vision is like, it's an embed start of the art of the image analysis for specific domain with AI custom vision. So let's say, like, you would like to you have a kind of a data set of images or database of images which you would like to train within and then get a benefit out of those. So currently, the one of the use case which I have right now, like, I have got some data set which I have downloaded from Kaggle. I've just for sake of information, I have, like, kept the link of that image dataset from where you will be able to download it. And I would like to train this model with some few images, and when for validation, I've got also some few image validation, at least to understand whether that food or that images, whether whether that system or AI is able to identify the proper classify the proper food. So uh, to start with, I've got a bunch of images of vegetable and fruits, dessert and soup. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to create a new project. It's a demo season of AI. Yeah, and apart from that, I've already provisioned the resource. So in case if you don't see this, you'll need to create a new one. And as of now, I'll just keep uh, the settings by default. So create 1 second, create project. So okay, so as simple as that, it is. It gives you this UI, wherein you'll be first of all you'll have to train the model, as you'll need to provide some data. So for us, because it's a custom kind of AI vision, we'll need to provide images. So images, and within my download, I have training, and I have approximately, let's say, I have approximately 709 files of images, wherein, and then I will give them give a tag vegetable, fruits. So I will upload them. It will take few seconds to upload. So please bear with me. While it is getting uploaded, these are Azure provides very great AI vision capabilities, and just very handy and easy to use. So as you have seen, I've shown you within this presentation, it's just a matter of few clicks and then our job is done. And so just as a quick recapitulation, we are right now in the process of custom vision AI custom vision, Azure AI custom vision demo. The use case is we have got some the requirement is to provide an analysis of food classification. Let's say, I've got the company has requested us to make an AI for food classification. So for sure we will need some data to feed the AI and train the model. So what I did so far, I had uploaded three different data set. I had uploaded some approximately 1500 images of dessert, some 1500 images of soup, and 700 images approximately of vegetable and fruits. Okay, from where did I get those images? For example, let's see if one of you would like to try. I've given the link in the presentation itself, so you can download the dataset from kaggle.com. All right, so next would be once it is a kind of a three-step process. First of all is you feed the data, you train, you upload the images, because we are talking about vision services here. So it's not about text, but instead about images and videos. So as of now, it support images itself. So you upload images. Okay, second would be to train the model. So here, interestingly, you have got quick training and advanced training. When in advanced training is wherein just it will provide you kind of a I would say, just once it is done, it will just send you an email, shoot up an email. And quick training is as of now estimated the time is 2 hours, but usually it takes it's more faster. It takes approximately maybe half an hour. So, and then once it is done, it will provide you kind of a graphical interface, user interface, like about the accuracy and so on. So as this is kind of uh, uh, a podcast, so for sure we won't be waiting for that much time. So instead I will show you some of uh, the previous model which I have already trained. So this one, the first one, was my internal demo. So let's go there. And similarly, I had uploaded those images. If you see, if you recollect, the images counts are similar. And when it comes to one second prediction performance, yeah. So once the if you see here on the other hand, sorry, right now. The season of AI demo which I just created few minutes back, the training is in progress. However, this one, the food classification project, the training was already completed. I would say yesterday at 8:35 a.m. Okay, and these are the precision uh, percentage which the system has given us, which means it's promising. So the second step is completed. Let's assume it's completed, and right now we are going to go do a quick test. So again, within the UI itself, you'll get the option of quick test. And what do you have to do? You'll need to upload any random image. So for example, let's say uh, one second. Okay. Yeah. So let's say I've got some images of vegetable and fruits, wherein I would like to uh, the system to evaluate whether whether the system is able to identify properly or not. So if you see, we have got some interesting data set of images wherein you'll be able to play around. So let's say I'll just you can also provide a direct image URL from the internet if you wish to, for example. So I'm into the folder for the sake of one second. What's wrong? Archive. Yeah. So if you see, let's say we want to understand what this image is, and we'll tell AI to let us know here. So if you see, it's vegetable and fruit are 97% of this image is composed of vegetable and fruits. Maybe soup kind of is composed of 2% and dessert is composed of 0.9%. So of course this is based on statistic and probability, but suppose let's give it a try of this one. These are oranges. So I think so this is not really correct, because soup, maybe it is a kind of a juicy. That is why the image is the system is getting a bit confused. Maybe one more, few more. Yeah. Here again, because again it has kind of this orange has been cut. That is where it is it is getting the AI is letting us know that this could be a soup. uh, uh, Maybe I'll try some with some basket. Yeah, if you see here, maximums are made of this picture contains maximum vegetable, hence it is providing us also correct. And of course 0.2% is a kind of it is a probability or 0.2, so we should not take that much in consideration. Maybe one more I would like to I think so. I had yeah. This one is an image of from an Indian market, like So if you see, vegetable fruit is 95%, dessert maybe the AI is detecting some kind of a dessert somewhere. So 13.2%, and soup, of course, there is no soup, no watery related kind of item within this image. Hence, this is 0%. So last kind of just thinking randomly. Yeah. Vegetable fruit 99, dessert 0.8, and soup 0.3. So for sure the probability is higher on the vegetable and fruit. So we can rely on this AI algorithm, it is providing us the correct return along with the maximum probability. So I think so that is all from my side. Just a last slide again once more. Thank you to all participants, and thanks once more to the organizer.